Hey everyone, welcome back to another Vlogmas video. I've got a bit of a different video today. I had a screen recording of one of my latest illustrations. I recently posted this on Instagram, but I thought it would be nice to do a video for Vlogmas showing the process of this illustration. So I'm going to stop talking now and we're going to put the Christmas music back on, and I hope you enjoy watching the process. If there's anyone interested in having a tutorial at any point, I don't really know what I'm doing most of the time, but if anyone's interested, I'll definitely do that if anyone wants it. So yeah, check out Instagram to see this post. My @ is @ourstoriesmatter_. Yeah, I hope everyone's having a lovely day, and make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I hope you enjoy the rest of the video.